Yo 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 yo, welcome back to Bobbville. I'm crazy hype about today's video. It makes animating your own images and really any other image you want to create so much freaking easier. This tool I'm referring to is called simply the 2D animation asset. Go into the asset manager if this is not already ready to use. Search to see if the 2D package is ready to install, and if not, it should be ready to access from the Unity registry. Also make sure you have the Cinematic Studio asset installed while we're here. Okay, now that we have that ready, go back to our Doodle Man or whichever sprite you're trying to edit and open the Sprite Editor. Make sure the sprite mode is set to multiple, so we can divide the body parts, wink wink. Hey, there goes our Doodle Man. Don't worry about his body not being attached to his limbs, we draw it like this on purpose so we can focus on each limb. Don't forget to slice all the parts up so it's not just one weird looking sprite. If the 2D animation asset has been properly installed, then up in the Sprite Editor tab, there should be some new tabs that we haven't seen before. We're going to be looking at the Skinning Editor. Weird name, I know. Okay, now let's get a look. We're going to start by giving each sprite an auto geometry, then we're going to edit them by adding bones, vertices, and then making more particular adjustments with the weight brush. Click the sprite, then hit auto geometry, then generate, for all visible. Unity takes care of the rest. Now go to create bone and we'll start with the body. To create bones, you'd simply left click and then left click again to add its corresponding bone. So waist, body, and then head. We'll right click on the bones and point to end the chain. Remember, the body parts are not connected yet, so don't try to connect them to the body. Nope, nope, nope. But hey, it's okay to make mistakes. Simply go back to the Edit Bone menu, and select Bone, press that delete key. Okay, so try this instead. Go to each body part and create its own separate bone. Simple enough. Repeat the process for each part and we're one step closer to putting it all together. Whoop whoop. Let's preview pose to see how our sprites are able to move now. Oh no! Our bones aren't attached to our body. Haha, all good, we just simply need to auto-generate our geometry with our bones attached. Notice that our sprite has that dark shadow, click generate for selected, and watch the magic happen. Now just do the same with the other sprites. Okay, now go back to preview pose and our problem should be fixed. Bueno, that's what's up. One step closer. The limbs should be fine for the most part by default, but let's move the body around to see what happens. Actually, it's almost perfect, but something weird is happening with the waist section. To fix this, we'll go to the weight brush tool, then click on the bone we want to fix. Now we can see why the bones are color coordinated. Adjusting the hardness and the size changes how big and how much. Clicking on the vertex changes the difference between the two colors. Zoom in closer for a better view. It seems either way I adjust this I'm having some type of issue. Let's create more vertices to make the separation of the body parts easier. You can move the vertex and add new ones. See how simple this is? You can mess around with these features for as long as you'd like. I'm gonna go back and add some bones to the scarf. We can give it a nice wind effect when we start animating. Don't forget to click apply, and we're done. Great job making it this far. Stay tuned for more good people. Next, we'll be putting it all together in our game scene. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.